Deb with Home Cooking is for the birds. I thought some of you might be interested in how to make a good turkey burger, especially some of you alpha gals out there or some of you that are watching your cholesterol. Also, if you're on a gluten-free diet as well. I do make a good home-style burger out of turkey sometimes, but I also buy these frozen turkey burgers. Make sure you get the original seasoned burgers. Believe me, that's important. And then we're going to take some Tony Chachere's no salt Cajun seasoning and sprinkle on top. We're going to use some seasoning salt as well, and we're going to sprinkle that really lightly on top. By the way, this is my husband's recipe. He has created so many recipes for me due to my allergies. He's wonderful. We are just going to flip these over and put some more Tony Chachere's on the other side. Not the seasoned salt, just Tony Chachere's. This does add a lot of flavor to these, even though they're seasoned. Then we're going to put these in a skillet. Turn your stovetop eye or your burner on to about a medium heat. And because turkey is a drier meat, you are going to add some olive oil to the bottom and maybe a tablespoon, just enough to coat the bottom. Here is the secret to making these burgers taste so moist and tender. Because again, turkey tends to be dry. We're going to add some water to this skillet, maybe a half a cup, and then we're going to steam these burgers. So I put a lid on it, and yes, I know my lid doesn't match my copper coated pan, but that's okay. It worked out great. Once you've cooked these about 10 to 15 minutes on one side, we're going to flip them and cook the other side the same amount of time. Now, I know this is not appealing to the eye to look at, but that is actually fat being cooked out of those burgers that you're going to see in your skillet. Turkey does have a small amount of fat in it. Once you have cooked these about 10 to 15 minutes on each side and the water has evaporated out of your skillet, voila, these are ready to be served. And again, I can't have pork, so I top these with some turkey bacon, and they're scrumptious. My husband does have a good beef burger out sometimes, but by cooking your turkey burgers this way, my husband informed me that these are just as good and a healthier choice.